Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple user accounts in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, come to the bottom of your computer and press on the Windows Start button and you can then click on Settings. Now you can come over to the left and go and press Accounts and we can go and scroll down and find the option Other Users and click there. You can go to the right and press Add Account. Now an email or phone for the other account can be entered here. If you don't have these information, you can press that button. An account can then go and be created or you can add it without on right account, which is I want to do, which is essentially a local account. So you can then go and enter in a name and now we can go and enter in a password for them, and what we can do is going to set up to their security questions. Press next and then the account will go and be made. So on the computer log screen, the account can then go and sign in to. If I press the Windows Start button at the bottom, click on the user and the three dots to the right, you can see the account there. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create multiple user accounts in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.